Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week. Welcome to this video in which we'll talk about Ethereum. We'll talk about the technicals, but first we need to talk about the fundamentals. All right. So with that, I mostly mean all of the news around the economic circumstances in the United States. There's obviously also a regulation part to the fundamentals, but I don't want to zoom in too much on that in this video. Because the other fundamentals around the economic situation are just more important, and I think at least. But apart from that, we'll also take a look at the technicals. Some interesting things happened yesterday, so it'll be a full package. I'll tell you everything you need to know in my eyes. All right, so let's get right into it. Before we start, I do want to say that if you want daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description. And in the pinned comment, there you'll find trade results, so you'll see the results of the group, but also how to join. All right, so let's start off with the fundamentals. So as I said, we've had quite important fundamentals in the last 2 days. Yesterday, as most of you know, we had the testimonial by Jerome Powell. The first part. Today we'll have the second part, but I also said that in a Bitcoin video. I doubt that this will be very important. I really think it was mostly about the first part. And the first part, just to give a quick summary, was pretty bearish. He practically stated that the monetary policy probably needs to be a little bit tighter. So that means interest rates going up more or for longer, which is, as most of you know, high interest rates are bad for you and I, but also for risk on assets like stocks or crypto. So that's bearish. You can also see that in the dollar strength index. That was very bullish because of the news. So the market really thinks that, I mean, this practically means that the market really thinks that interest rates go up, all right? Because if they go up, the dollar becomes stronger. So yeah, that's happening, and that's bearish. I mean, it's just a confirmation of the downtrend we were already in since, I would argue, the 21st of February. For Ethereum, Ethereum has been holding fairly strong. I mean, if you zoom out right now, you could still argue that we're in a consolidation. And it wouldn't be wrong if you'd argue that. All right, I just think that that with the fundamentals that really started like the 21st of February, with the fundamentals, kind of that combination leads me to believe that this really is the start of a downtrend instead of just a continuation of the consolidation. But technically, we are even still in a consolidation if we drop down to 1500, which is what I expect. As I said, I do not expect big movements after the testimony by Jerome Powell later today. We could get some movements. It depends on what the questions are that are being asked of him, right? But all right. Apart from that, perhaps no, the job openings probably will not make the market move that much, but all right. So I do expect, even though Ethereum is strong and we still have the Shanghai upgrade, which might give us some bullish momentum, could also give us bearish momentum, but it seems more likely that it will give us bullish momentum in my eyes. But even with that, I think the downtrend is too strong. I think the fundamentals are too bearish to hold our main support at 1540. I think it's more likely that somewhere this week we will drop down below 1450. Between 1540, excuse me, and that will start this drop down towards 1500. There's still support at 1520. It will not be a crash, I think, but it will just be a move down to the next support level. That's what I expect. I'll monitor it closely though, and I'll keep you updated on that, of course. But for now, that's my take on Ethereum, both technically and fundamentally. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye.